All right, we got the list. We're checking it twice. Let's go get some metal this morning. I love it when it says free, but this is what we've collected so far. AC, barbecue, bike, and a busted hammock, tables and chairs. Free, who knew? Let's on to the next. I found a chair, and I got somebody behind me. Gotta hurry. All right, I found one piece of metal, but this is mostly trash. On to the next one. We made it to the scrap yard, and we gotta wait our turn. This is where they dump some of the busted concrete and stuff. And again, that's at CWS, down the street from the Hustler Casino. And the joint is jumping today. Hustle and grind. Mountain of steel. We got our own mountain of steel. I know where to find more of those. All right, Grandpa, let's be careful and get this off the truck. Put on our gear. And again, thanks for coming to watch, everybody. I guess this could be a type of ASMR. I don't know what that means, but like kind of like chilling out, watching people do stuff, or listening to like Bubbling Brook. I like this guy. I'm gonna put him right here, man. All right, the ghost, the fantasmo. All right, now I doubled this up, so I gotta take it apart. I drove on Figueroa too, because I said, man, don't you be dropping none of this, Grandpa. A to the men. All right, we'll tighten that up in a little bit here. Oh yeah, always something, but gotta be careful at all times. Yes, sir. Tighten it up, Grandpa. Make sure you got on there. All right. Flowing through. I got a bunch of nuts and bolts. I put them in a spot where they wouldn't fall out all over the road and everything. But I got that plastic tray. I got to keep that though too. All right, let's go. Oh man, we can't lose Thor. All right, put that guy right there. Put him right there. All right, get this dryer off. Holy crap, Batman. I didn't hear any quarters when we were low. So again, all this stuff, just people calling me up and me stopping to get it off the street. Yeah. Get it off the truck. Come on. Come on, Grandpa. Man, these stackables. Oh, man. Don't be want to be on the wrong end of that. I didn't hear any quarters in that one. Oh man, anybody want a bicycle? Got these from a lady in Hermosa Beach. And she left me a Google review too, which was pretty cool. Oreo my. Man, we making progress. Don't get cut by that, Grandpa. Golf clubs. Bed frame. Oh. Oh boy, this one's a little one. That big. Oh, everything comes. All right, let's get the big stove oven out of here. I mean oven. The double. Oh. Man, that's a big lever. Man, you can feel the exhaust come off of that sucker. Old rusty saws, who knew? All right, got this one and sweep it out and let's go get weighed and get paid. Thanks for coming. Wow. Oh, I love that. Press any button. Okay, now put that underneath there. All right, please wait. Espere, por favor. And then this part right here. So we made out 154. All right. Not too bad. 2,000 pounds. Not too shabby. Hey, get out there and hustle. Again, just helping out in my community, cleaning up. Appreciate you guys. Hustle and grind. If I could do it, you could do it. Help your community clean up. Make me laugh.